Hello, it's Mark's My Car Guy here at Mercedes-Benz of Rochester. It is a beautiful snowy day, but don't let that fool you. People are still looking at these beauties. Check out this AMG bi-turbo hand-built, beautiful, beautiful cabriolet. And then next to it we have the four-door version available with all-wheel drive. And then if you need something a little bit more high-end, more exclusive, check out the GLE AMG. This thing is just gorgeous. Monoblock wheels. I'll tell you what, these cars are insane. If you've ever driven one, well, you know, and you don't have to watch this video, but if you haven't driven one, I think you should take some time out of your day, give me 30 minutes, 45, and you can test drive any of these vehicles that I have. I mean, I've had probably 45 to 50 used Mercedes. I have another 40, 35, 40 new. And I mean, we get tons of cars. And I work at Rochester, so I offer every vehicle, every make and model. It's not just Mercedes, it's not just BMW. Whether you like GMC or Chevy or Ford or Toyota or Honda or Subaru. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So